Hi, I'm the Toy Mom, and today we're going to be opening some surprise eggs. Let's get going. Our first egg is a Spider-Man egg. Jumped right out of there. Some candy. Here's our Spider-Man figurine. That's pretty neat. It's a great pose. Here's all the other ones that you can collect with this set. There's a lot of them. And we get stickers. Our next egg is a Disney Planes egg by Candy Planet. They have toys in there. Eggs. Wonder which one we have. We get a sticker. That's Echo. Cookie. Here's our toy. Oh! It's a top. Let's try it out. Wow, that works really well. Let's stop it so we can go to our next egg. And here is our last egg, and it is Mickey. Chocolate on the outside. Have to check that out. That's pretty good. We got Mickey. Nice detail. Here's all the figurines we can get with this set. Well, here's all the things we got in today's 3 eggs. There's a lot of stuff there. Thanks for watching. Now you can watch another one of my surprise egg videos. My picture is always in the corner, and please don't forget to subscribe.